Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log in to the HSBC Bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.hsbc.com.hk and hit enter. After the home page of the HSBC Bank opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the login button, a menu will pop up on your screen. On this menu, click on the HSBC Online Banking option. After you click on the HSBC Online Banking option, you'll be further guided to another page. In this page, you will have to fill in your username here and then click on Continue. Once you click on Continue, and if you have filled in your username correctly, you'll be further guided to another page which will help you to log in to the HSBC Bank. I hope this video helped you to log into the HSBC Bank. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.